Go High Level Wizard here, and now I'm going to be showing you how to build an e-commerce website on GoHighLevel. Guys, say goodbye to Shopify, say goodbye to WordPress, and say goodbye to all the other alternatives because GoHighLevel has dumped a ton of money into their e-commerce feature and made it so much better. Before we jump in though, quickly go down below, smash the subscribe button. If you have any questions at all, drop them down below or message me for free on Facebook. Let's hop right in. So you're going to come right into your basic GoHighLevel dashboard. The first thing you have to make sure you have is products and collections basically set up for your e-commerce store. So the first thing is me basically explaining what products and collections are. So all a product is basically the thing someone buys within High Level. And a collection is just a collection of products. And you basically want both, so you can have a list of products and you can categorize, because it could be hairbrushes and that would be a collection, and it'd be a bunch of different hairbrushes. Those would be the products. All collections does is segment products simply, so you can put them on the website much easier in groupings. So to create a product, by the way, I have a full video on this in depth if you want to check it. But to create a product, you just come right in here, okay, and you click Create Product. And you can import from Stripe, but you do not have to. That way we just bring it right in. But it's very simple. You put in your title, okay, you put in a description, you'll upload a picture, any sort of label you want. You can add it to a collection here. We have not gone to that yet. Any sort of tax codes. You have extra stuff like a statement descriptor. This is what shows up when someone gets charged via the card. And then you have your pricing. So you have type. Is it one time? Is it recurring? So is it monthly? You put that in. Compare it price. This is a price anchor. So it's like was $1,500. Now it's $1,000. So you pack any of that. This also has some additional options like that. You can also add a membership offer, which is for courses. Have a full video on that if you're interested. Then you can add some basic stuff with colors and sizing. And then you have some basic metadata on this. Even though a lot of e-commerce is just on a page, so I wouldn't recommend doing this, but you can if you want to, and that is simple as that. So that's how you create products. You just click save, and then you're good to go, and then you now have a product. Collections, you just come right in here, create collection, you add a name to your collection, you add an image, and then you click add, and then you just select what products you want under your collection. Remember, collections are a grouping of products. So now that you understand products and collections, and I just went and quickly created a test one. So you have test one for products and collections. Now we're going to go to the website side of things and show you basically how to set up an online store. And then from here, it just pulls the data right in. So you're going to want to go to sites, okay, websites. And remember, the online store is a website. It's not a funnel. A lot of people mix this up. They think because they're doing two-step order forms, they go to funnels. No, GoHighLevel has a feature that it is inside a store. See, storage right there. It's even new. You just come right in here. You're going to pick the website you want. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go right to the home page. Okay, edit a new page. Okay, boom. Look at this. So you got your website. So here's the thing. It's just a feature you add to the website. So let me show you right here. So you go to Add Elements. Okay, you go all the way down to Store. Okay, and then you just add it to site. I mean, guys, this is so easy. High Level always does this. They make shit so simple. So you literally just come in and click add to site, and then it's going to add it. By the way, you're going to want payment processors hooked up and all the other stuff. I'm assuming you already have that. If you don't know anything about High Level, go to my channel. I have videos on literally everything, so go check it out. But this is just, I mean, it's so easy. And it's just part of the feature. It's literally better than Shopify. Okay, and it's just right in here. So hop in and select it. So that's basically how it pops up. It just pops up just like that. But I want to show you something. Actually, we'll go back here. Well, I guess never mind. We're right here. And you'll come down here and you'll notice that the website I had before now has a product list page, a product details page, a cart, and a checkout. And this stuff is pretty cool because it's already immediately built out. So whatever you plug in, it's already just pre-populating from the products and collections. So remember, first create your products, plug them in, and then plug in the collections. And then all that happens is you just plug it in very simply. And GoHighLevel makes it so easy because all of that stuff is already built in once you add the e-commerce element. So it's all in there. So now let's go back to said page. We'll just do this, and then we'll add the touches to basically make this live, and then you're good to go. And I'm telling you guys right now, e-commerce with High Level is so easy. All you have to do is just make sure that you have your products and collections put in, and then you come right in here and you just add it and you're done. So what we want to do now is link certain pages up to the products page. So if you go back here, you will have the products list. So if you go and check this out, it is going to be everything you put in the products and collections. So if you see right here, this is a product in the collections category, and it's already plugged in. So remember what I said before, you have to have the product side of things built out and then the collection side of things built out, and it just pre-populates. Okay, so it's really important first to have that dialed in, because then what we're going to do is we're going to connect stuff to this first website, so to link it. And that's how we basically get this thing running smoothly, and you get a website in literally 15-20 minutes up. By the way, if you don't know how to build a GoHighLevel website, I have an entire video on this, so go check it out, where I literally go into every single button on HighLevel and what it does. But let's link this up. So the first thing we want to do is link the menu to the store. So what I would do is I would do add item. Okay, I would do store. Okay, go to URL, or you can go to page or product collection. And what I would recommend is you go right down here, okay, all the way to product list, or whatever you have it labeled as, and submit. And then what you do is you now have a store page right in there. So we come right here, so let's load. Check this out. We click store, okay, and then it takes it to it. So that's basically the first step, is connecting it, because you want it to be on the website. Then from there, now that we have that, you can link other parts of the page to that. You can even come in here and add like a collections list that has your collections on it. Okay, where you do that, and then you would just come in and add your collections. Okay, but now that you have it, now you have to go and we have to edit these pages so they basically match, so you have the complete thing built out. Like I said again, HighLevel makes it very, very simple, because they've already built the entire widget out, and you plug it into any website. Does that make sense? So what I did before is, when you create any website, you can make any website an e-commerce website. That's what's so cool about this. There's not an e-commerce website template per se. It's an e-commerce function that gets added to HighLevel. So makes it so much easier. But let's update what we have on some of these pages so we can make it match your website. So as we come in here, as I said before, this will pull from the products and collections. And that's literally all you have to do. But the one thing you're going to want to do, because this just pre-populates, and by the way, you can see it only drags, doesn't have those other features. You want to basically customize the menu, because this doesn't come just like the other menu. It's another menu. So what you want to do is you want to come in here, and you can, put this name as is. You can get rid of it. You can do whatever you want. You can call it store. You just put whatever, and then you're going to put your logo in, and you're mostly going to have to do this for every page, or you can put some custom values on here. But let's put a logo in. We will just put this for now. Okay, boom, we just put that logo in, and then you're good to go. So I just a random logo, of course, put your real logo in. But the whole goal of this entire thing is to plug everything in and make it match across the board, and from there you're done. I mean, this is so unbelievably simple. So it's really broken down into 3 phases, so to speak. So phase number one is basically going in and building out the products and the collections. Phase 2 is picking your website, okay, and basically getting it set up. So you watch my full website video if you don't want to do that, but that's just picking your regular website. Then number 3 is basically making it e-commerce and getting it all set up and everything configured. So those are the 3 phases. That's literally all you have to do. It's very, very simple. So I really recommend the first thing you do is go get your products and import them from Stripe or do whatever, because you can't really do anything until that's done. Everything else is done. You just come in, you add the element, just like I told you, to make it an e-commerce site, and then you're good to go. And then from there, it's just going through each one of these and editing. And picking what you want and deciding how you want your store to look. It's that simple, and you're going to want to make sure you edit this across the board. Other than that, you're done. It's as simple as that. One last thing I wanted to show you that I believe I may have left out, if we come to products. This is usually on by default, but I would always make sure this is on all of your products, is include an online store. You want that toggled on so it does that pre-populating. Because like I said before, once you have the products, you have the collections, all that set up, all it is enabling the e-commerce feature on a website and basically just customizing the way you want to look, and then you're done. Everything else is set up, and then maybe configuring some shopping carts just to make sure it's, looks the way you want to look. But that's it. It's as simple as that. You can, and here's the thing. This is the big thing about this that makes this so cool, is because it already has that e-commerce feature just to add to any website, you can turn any website into an e-commerce website within 10, 20 minutes. That's what's so cool about this if you have the products. It makes it so much faster. That's it though, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, drop them down below or message me for free on Facebook. By the way, if you are interested in learning high level and playing with it, I do have a 30-day free trial link right down below. Not a 14, a 30-day exclusive free trial link. You can go sign up and check it out. And if you want to learn high level even more, if you basically get that, going through the partnership idea where I basically come in, show you how to do this, show you how to make money with high level, and really build this out. And by the way, it is free. You just have to qualify. That way, you can get a hands-on experience and support with high level, but more importantly, how to sell this, because none of this stuff matters if you cannot sell this or use it on someone. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys get an awesome store built. You start making money with it. Other than that, guys, I hope you keep crushing it. Go High Level Wizard out.